Good afternoon, good noon, Baghdad, Iraq. Si Madam nag-prepare na food for the lunch. So this one is naka-ready na. Para pag mag-eat na sila, i-fix na lang yan everything. Ayan, laham, karaf bang tawag yun? Karaf na ulit. Okay, yan. I don't want to open because that one is working, that one of Madam. I'm just looking. This one I think brown rice. Yeah. Boiling. Kung sa atin pa, laga na karof. Sheep. Ano ba yun? Karnero. Yung kahapon na ginagawa nila na matapang and this one is boiled patata, laging salad. Maganda talaga to pag ano ba yan, kahit pang dinner lang. Diet na rin yan, kasama na rin yan sa diet. Pag ganito lang yung prepared only for your dinner. Tapos anuhan mo na lang. Okay, so thank you again, thank you to all us sa buong mundo, worldwide, kung sa English pa, sabay kong gano'n. Okay, thank you for subscribe me, thank you for everything that you have done. Same as usual, ayun yung kitchen ko, wash yan na yun. Iwawash ko yun ngayon. Okay? And thank you again for more blessings to everybody. Christmas is coming soon. And then, once again, shout out to all nationwide, worldwide, to all that you subscribe of mine. And I will subscribe. Make it subscribe to my YouTube channel, to my small YouTube channel. Share and likes and comments. Thank you very much. Thank you. And God bless us all.